Hi, my name is Pilacek, and I am a senior at Oviedo High School in Oviedo, Florida, and my research was on the Pavlovian conditioning of honeybees to promote attraction to and eventually hopefully pollination of the endangered orchid Persickia cochleata. So what that boils down to is basically training honeybees, which is a very fun phrase. So basically what I was doing was introducing the scent of the orchid at the same time that a food reward, in this case just sugar water, was present, so that the honeybees would learn to associate the two stimuli and see the scent of the orchid as an indication that there was a food source nearby. So basically in doing that, it kind of tricks them into pollinating this relatively unrewarding plant so that we can kind of supplement the pollination they would typically be receiving from native pollinators, or to help bridge gaps between isolated populations, which is a result of habitat fragmentation and deforestation. So I have been working on that for the past 2 to 3 years, depending on when you count the official start date versus when I started looking into the background research of that, and that has involved putting a lot of bees into straws. So basically I've worked on optimizing larger scale procedures since I started out, which would allow me to condition entire hives at once, but originally I was anesthetizing bees by putting them into the freezer after catching them in a cup at 3 a.m. and then placing them into half of a drinking straw and then connecting 2 pieces of painter's tape over them to keep them secure. Some fun facts about me are that I have what my friends affectionately have deemed grandma hobbies. So one of those is collecting old postcards, like this one. I have an entire album of them. I really like the ones that have writing on them because I think it's a really cool little window into people's lives. The ones from 1910s in France are always tinged slightly green because of the paper that they used, which I think is really fun. I also scrapbook and write letters and enjoy all sorts of fun stationery, quite honestly. And then the other things that I really enjoy in my free time are baking and making different tea blends to suit different occasions and different people. And I really like the challenge of vegan baking I've started now, not because I'm vegan, but because I think that it makes it more difficult. So I just really enjoy the process of kind of researching and learning more and revising in all aspects of my life, not just in the actual honeybee project.